Hello children. Now let us find out the square root of a number by using long division method. As discussed earlier, to find out the square root of any number, we have two ways. That is prime factorization method and long division method. Prime factorization has a drawback. That is, while doing the factorization, if you miss any of the factor, the entire process goes wrong. So, prime factorization is best suitable for small numbers. Then if you have large numbers, we can go with long division method, which is best suitable for large numbers. Now, let us find out the square root of 1764 by using long division method. So to find out the square root of this number by using long division method, draw two lines, one beside the first digit, that is one line beside 1 and one line above the given number, so that we can write the numbers there like we write in normal division, how we write the divisor and quotient. Now the first step in finding out the square root of this number is mark pairs of digits from units place to the right so that all the digits are covered. In this way, 64 is one pair and 17 is another pair. So we got two pairs, 17 and 64. The next step is select the first pair from the left and choose perfect square that is less than or equal to that. So in the given number, 17 is the first pair from left. So as 17 is not a perfect square, we must choose a perfect square that is less than it. If it is a perfect square, then we can write the number itself. So what is the nearest perfect square to 17 which is less than that? That is 4 square 16. Now we must write 4 into 4. 4 into 4 which gives you 16. Next step, we must add below and write the sum underneath. What is this? Add below. Which one we have to add? That is 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. This is the most important step. First, after finding out 4 square is equal to 16, next we must add 4 plus 4 which is equal to 8. Now like normal division process, we must continue that. 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. But how we got 64 here? We are considering here 1764 to be two pairs. So first pair operation is completed. 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. Next we must drop down 64 completely, which gives you 164. If you see there beside 8, I left a space like this, and after 4 also. So there are two boxes that are placed beside 8 and beside 4. Both the boxes should be filled with the same number such that their product gives you 164. It actually looks like this. 8 dash into dash should give you 164. As discussed earlier, if the last digit of the number is 4, that is, if the last digit of the square is 4, the square root ends with 2 or 8. As discussed in the properties of squares, if the number ends with 2 or 8, then its square ends with 4. So the possible digits that can be placed in the dashes are 2 or 8. We'll try with the least number. If that doesn't work, we'll go with the greater number. So let us put 2 in that blanks and check whether we'll get the same number or not. 82 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So we got it as 164. So 2 is the number that can be filled in that blanks. Now place a 2, which gives you 82 into 2 is equal to 164. 164 minus 164 gives you 0. So we are done with the square root. Square root of 1764 is nothing but 42. Thank you.